Nice.
Oh, they gonna take it, man. Coming down now. There you go. Oh, you're good.
Hey, stop moving the rocks.
That might be enough.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's that time of year, and it's time for the second annual full-size Bronco shakedown run. I got together with a bunch of guys from the full-size Bronco forum, and we went out here to AOAA Western Reserve to go and put our trucks to the test and make sure we're ready for the season. We originally planned on going out and hitting the Western Reserve and having kind of an easy day. A lot of blue trails and, just a light day. And that quickly changed. We started out on some really tight and off-camber trails, and it just went and got harder from there. But as it got harder, it also got a lot more fun.
How you doing, guys?
It wasn't too long until we came across the Jeep on some of those off-camber trails. We gave the guys a hand just rigging it up to get it pulled back over, and the winch they had on their Wrangler made pretty easy work of it. Once we got our right side up, we gave them some time to go and get everything situated. In that time, we were able to go find a little rock pile and a ledge to go play on, and everyone had a pretty good time doing that.
Getting close.
All right.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
All right, now you're straight down. Oh yeah.
Alright, go ahead, Chip. You got it. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. You're just hitting your the underside of your rock sliders. You should go. You should go.
Next up is what I believe to be my favorite obstacle of the day. It was this rocky, probably like a black loop that we found. And when we first walked through it, it looked pretty intense. There was leaves everywhere. It was a little overgrown, it looked like. Hasn't been touched in a while, we were guessing. But the guys I was with decided to go through, Kevin and Ox. I ended up following. It went surprisingly smoothly, and I think the only casualty of it was I was rubbing a little bit with my front tire. Oh, and then maneuvering to get out, I busted the tail light, but so it is.
Wow, you made that look easy. Hope
You're slicing them. he comes.
After hitting that, I was pretty happy. I didn't know if the truck was going to do it at first. It looked a lot worse in person, but it did it, didn't complain, and all it cost me was a little bit of scrubbing. I didn't want to push my luck after that, and was happy just sticking to the blues. However, we did pass a few steep climbs, and you gotta check these out. This first one was probably like a 3.5 foot vertical wall, and it was like a black loop. But I think at like Ross Creek, this would be considered a red. And that goes for the rest of the park too. Most of the blues were the equivalent of blacks at Ross Creek, and greens were like blues, so just something to keep in mind. But check this out.
Made that look easy.
No angles ever do it justice, so here's another one to check it out. But in person, this was an extremely steep climb, and I was very impressed.
That was sweet.
This was our last obstacle for the day, and as you can see in the back, the sky's already starting to change color. We got out of there just in the nick of time, and the drive out of the park was actually pretty rough. We ended up getting lost and on top of a black trail going out in the pouring rain, but it went pretty smoothly. We all got out back to the parking lot, and it was a great time.
That was cool. Look, it is. Jesus. Pointing at the front. Look at. Is it on?
It is hailing.
So we're coming out of the trails here. We had a pretty great day of wheeling. The Bronco did great. We had no breakage by anyone. But check out up front here. It started pouring a little bit ago, and we now have hail. I've never gone wheeling in the hail, so that's pretty cool. But I gotta thank, the guys from Full Size Bronco for coming out. It was a great time out here. Check out Kevin. I believe he's part-time four-wheel drive on YouTube. He's got the, I think it's like an 89 that you guys have seen through the video. And then I gotta thank Kara and Ben for coming out. I really appreciate them putting up with me, doing all these sketchy trails and trying to roll the Bronco on the side. Especially whoever has to sit in the back and be just scared and not be able to see what's going on. So, thanks to them. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe. Check out some other videos on the channel. And we'll have more for you next time. Have a good one.